In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a Swiss ball stabilisation exercise for your core and lower back. Now, if you've heard of the exercises known as the bird dog, Superman's, or alternatively opposite hand leg raise, well, all of those exercises are going to be progressed by doing them on a Swiss ball. So those three exercises I named, they're all the same exercise. They're where you're in a tabletop position and you bring one hand and leg opposite sides up at the same time. Now we're going to be doing this on a Swiss ball, so it's going to be far more challenging. You've got more proprioception and balance to deal with. You're going to be having a lot more demand on your core and trunk to be able to stabilise your position as well as your lower back. So what I want you to do is start off in a position where you've got yourself behind the Swiss ball. So I'm kneeling here, I'm behind the Swiss ball, and I'm going to now roll over the Swiss ball. Once you've got your hands in a position where they're in front of the ball, wrists underneath the shoulders, and your feet are on your tiptoes, you're now ready to start the exercise. Now, the wider you come out with the feet, the easier it's going to be. The narrower your position, the harder it's going to be. So what I want you to do is I want you to bring one arm up, then bring your opposite leg up, stabilise and back down. So one arm up, stabilise and back down. Same again, one arm up, stabilise and back down. Now not every repetition is going to be perfect. Because you've got an unstable surface that you're on, you are going to be a little bit all over the place. The more you do it and the more you get warmed up with the exercise, you'll generally find your second and third set are a lot better than your first as you start to learn the exercise and start to get those motor patterns firing of how to execute it. The bigger the ball you use, the harder it's going to be. So this is a really big exercise ball here, Swiss ball. If you use a smaller ball, it's going to be a little bit easier. So if you want to progress the ball, use a bigger ball to be on. That's how you do a Swiss ball stabilisation, and that's how you progress the exercises bird dog, Superman, and opposite hand and leg raise. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.